All right, we're gonna kind of start our video here. We're gonna pull off one of these straps. We've been on the phone with the manufacturer. Butler makes this panel, so we've been talking to the rep technical guys about what's going on, some of the issues we're finding. One, let me go ahead and pop that off. We're gonna pop this strap off real quick, just to kind of document what we're finding. Long story short, these straps have had water trapped inside of them. Easy, 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 easy. Don't bend them. Easy, not too much. There you go. So what we're finding is rust starting to form. Some of them are quite a bit worse than this. You can see through that panel right there. It's all the way across, and what's happened, these panels, as they sit on the roof, press down. Let's show you guys from the back side. You can actually see where it has pathways that water is designed to be able to channel out. And when they came in and they coated this thing and they sealed everything up, it's allowing water from back here to come in, get underneath. And when they sealed it up here, water can no longer evacuate out. It's actually making leak issues worse. And because that water can't get out, now it's starting to rust. And it's really starting to compound on itself. Talked to them about the solution and why we were having leaks in the first place. They pretty strongly indicated the ridge cap there was where the water was coming in. Even for some of these lower leaks, they thought it was just traveling down the panel. It's what they see in the past. Because of how Butler does a unique system where they tie in right here, right over there, and then with this strap and how they stagger their seams. You can see one seam here, one seam over there. They say they rarely fight issues with seams, and you can see right here, we've got butyl caulking pushing through. We pulled off several of these, and I've seen that consistent with every one. So what they're recommending we do, take all these straps off, clean all this up, kill all the rust. They don't think we need to put the seam tape down, tape these things in. They have a different process for doing it than what was done before. So if we did, we'd have to follow that, which is we'd have to tape it down like you see it right here, and then put that strap back on later. But they think we can get by with cleaning it up, fixing the seams, reinstalling these, getting that to where the water can flow. But we do got to grind the rust out of there, and I'd like to do something to treat it. They don't seem to think that's an issue, but rust is pretty hard to kill. Wanted to kind of show you guys this. We'll do a couple more documentation videos here, but this is going to cause big problems here in the next 4 or 5 years if we don't get it corrected in the pretty short order here.